Are you ready to transform how you uncover patterns and predict outcomes all inside Excel? Meet Analytic Solver Data Science, your all-in-one solution for fast, transparent, and flexible data analysis and machine learning. Whether you're assessing credit risk, designing marketing campaigns, predicting equipment failures, or improving healthcare outcomes, Analytic Solver helps you discover insights and share them effortlessly. With Analytic Solver, you can quickly import data, clean and transform it, then run feature selection to pinpoint which variables matter most, like cholesterol levels in a heart study or transaction history for fraud detection. Next, pick from 10 built-in machine learning methods, or let find best model automatically compare algorithms like logistic regression, decision trees, and ensemble methods. Need to validate your model's performance? Analytic Solver provides confusion matrices, error reports, and accuracy metrics so you can confidently choose the best approach. Want to build a multi-step workflow combining data pre-processing, model training, and scoring? It's drag and drop simple. Then, with just a few clicks, deploy your workflow to Microsoft Teams, Power BI, Tableau, or the RASON cloud, turning your Excel model into a web application that stakeholders can run and monitor anytime, anywhere, no custom coding required. Unlike black box tools, Analytic Solver gives you total transparency into every calculation so you trust your results. You can even simulate new data to see how your model handles unseen cases, identify risks, or test performance variations before going live in production. Ready to supercharge your data science projects? Start a free trial, join a webinar, or try our ready-to-use examples. Experience Analytic Solver Data Science and discover a faster, more powerful way to analyze, predict, and share insights, all inside Excel.